Some movement up there caught my attention out of the corner of my eye, and so I looked directly up there, and what I observed was like an atomic explosion.
Out of the darkness came this great wall of water.